Hey guys, welcome to Shiva.nyc, and today's question is about iron deficiency hair loss. Yes, it is a thing. I do remember a couple of years ago, I also suffered from it, where after having a cycle that was pretty intense for many years, I was starting to lose a lot of additional blood, and when you're not getting enough blood to the hair follicle, you put the hair in a resting phase. And what happens with that is, over time, the hair is in a resting phase and never gets into a growth and replacement phase. So with the hair being in the resting phase, the hair starts to either fall out from that phase or starts to shed. And when the body is compromised and doesn't have enough blood to go to those places that need that extra iron and nutrients, then you will compromise that section. So if the blood is trying to nourish the rest of the body and doesn't really get to the hair root, then you will see hair falling out. Sometimes just a little bit of shedding, sometimes clumps of hair. But no need to worry if you can get this in time. With fortifying the body with additional iron, it does help to replenish what's been lost by blood loss. So you need to go and visit your doctor to see if they can put you on an iron supplement. I am not a doctor, so let me put that disclaimer out there. But when you are lacking iron, it does affect the hair follicles, and then that affects hair growth. Hopefully this has been helpful for you, and if you're needing more help to get to some root causes of the issues that you're dealing with your hair, find me on www.shiva.nyc and go to our product ticker and click on the Hair Buddy package. There you can connect with me one-on-one and we can answer some of those problems. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.